You should start growing your guava tree in late spring or summer when the temperature is from 20 to 25 degrees Celsius. Pick a ripe guava from the tree or buy one from market. Cut the fruit into half and scoop out the seeds. Put the seeds in a cup and add water. Soak the seeds for 10 to 12 days to soften hard coating of the seeds. Or you can boil the guava seeds for 5 minutes before sowing. Now prepare the soil. Buy seed raising mix from a garden shop or prepare your own by mixing river sand and the potting mix or garden soil in equal quantity. This is the best soil mixture for germinating guava seeds. Fill a small pot with this soil mixture. Now strain the water to separate the seeds and spread the seeds on the soil. Cover the seeds with some more soil so that the seeds are about 1 centimeter deep. Place the pot in sun and keep the soil moist. The seeds will germinate in 2 to 8 weeks depending on the temperate. Transplant the guava seedlings into a large pots or ground when they are at least 4 inch high. Add river sand and cow manure in the soil to make it free draining and nutrition rich. Use this soil mixture for planting the guava seedling. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.